tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ yam scatter pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ Lizzy Anjorin àti Iyabo Ojo ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Lizzy tún ti jáde fún Iyabo Ojo. Eléyìí tún lágbára o. Mi ò ní gbà yín lákòókò torí mo fẹ́ kẹ́ enjoy fídíò yìí. Àmọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wò ẹ máa bá mi like, ẹ máa bá mi share, kẹ́ máa comment. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ make sure pé ẹ subscribe sí channel yìí. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀.
Ó máa tó àṣírí ẹ̀fà yìí tó kò lè sọmọ Fatima bẹ́ẹ̀. So ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sí gbogbo àwọn ìyàwó àrẹjà yẹn ń lọ sí ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sí show tí Iyabo Ojo ṣe fún wa.
So this year I just
lórí burúkú ilé onílé, so this year ilé mi rẹ́ǹtì ó ṣì lọ. So ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí Iyabo sọ olóṣù olóṣù. Iyabo statement tó sọ yìí ó fi hàn pé wọ́n ní peace lover. Ó ti kọ́ ti short video títí ó ti sú ẹ. Ó sọ gbólóhùn kan máa bọ̀, ó sọ gbólóhùn kan nísìnyí. Gbólóhùn tó sọ yẹn ẹjọ́ má bínú mo fẹ́ fàṣọ sáà. Ó dùn o. Iyabo ẹ jẹun Austria láṣẹlẹ eye for eye ni tó o bá fẹ́ fi kọ́mẹ́ǹtì ilẹ̀ máa forúkọ sí o to avoid blocking. Wọn ò ní gbá ẹ́ blocking bí tó ti máa rórí ọ̀fẹ́ Ọlọ́run gbà ó. So ẹ rántí aṣọ yìí náà ẹ rí i pé mo ti rọ̀kẹ́ èmi náà ni èmi náà ni ẹ mọ̀ náà mo ní kọ́lọ̀ yìí fine bàjẹ́ kọ́lọ̀ yóò beautiful pa aṣọ ńlá ni kì í ṣe aṣọ kékeré o. The review on Aristo just dey sweet wọ́n ti ẹ̀ bójú ẹ̀jẹ̀. Iyabo kí ló sọ jàre.
Thank you so much for promoting the return of Aristo.
Okay, only thank you so much for promoting return of Aristo. Kò tọ́pẹ́, kò tọ́pẹ́, kò tọ́pẹ́. Èmi ni mo tó bẹ̀ ogun àgbáyé ni mí. Èmi ni mo tó bẹ̀ láti bẹ̀ promote ẹ̀. Mo understand pé ò lógo ṣó wọ́n ti lù ẹbí náà ti ń bẹ̀ ẹ̀sùn kiri. Mo understand pé ò lógo mọ́. Mo dẹ̀ understand pé tiẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́, you know. Ìgbà tó lọ ya blue film nígbà yẹn ní Ghana, ìgbà tí blue film dórí tiẹ̀ náà ni ó ta ṣọmọ ó ta pepper soup ó ta sèré kò lọ ṣọmọ. Mo ti appreciate the fact that mo ran ìgbésí ayé ẹ lọ́wọ́ ṣọmọ yìí tí àwọn èèyàn máa sọ pé lógo àná lógo ìjẹta, for the fact that ó fi ẹnu ẹ gbolẹ̀ níwájú mi ó appreciate me, it shows that we are winning. It shows that because tí o bá sí Lizzy o bá tún sì jẹ gbèsè jù báyìí lọ. So now o gba defeat, you accept the fact that if not for Lizzy Anjorin o ò ní rí èèyàn kan bẹ́ẹ̀ wo fíìmù yẹn. Ṣé o wá rí kó dáa kéèyàn máa ṣe dáadáa? O ò ní glory, o ò ní profile, o ò ní gbèsè ayé tó dáa, o ò gbélé ayé tó dáa. Ìwọ náà wo tí o bá ti kó fẹnu ara ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ ń sìn pé tí o bá sí èmi ìwọ̀nba tó ta gan ò lè ta. Tí o bá ṣe mi nísìn ayé òní mọ̀, ayé òní mọ̀ pé ìwọ̀nba tó ta, ayé òní mọ̀. Sórí pé o wá dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ mi nísìn, o wá dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ mi ọjọ́ tèmi ti ń taṣọ tèmi. Ìjọrí kí n sọ pọ́pẹ́lọpẹ́ ìwọ alákìísà, ìwọ tó máa wọ table cover, ìwọ tó máa lọ yá costume kiri, ìwọ tálíkà alágídí, ìwọ ìbànújẹ́ Nollywood, òfò Nollywood, òṣì Nollywood ṣọmọ. Then jẹ́ kí n máa gbọ́ ẹ lọ kí mọ́ mi máa fún ìyá ẹ̀ jẹ.
It's still showing in all cinemas.
It can be showing, nobody is going to watch it. We are not watching. Oh, lọ́pọlọ tó lè fi gbé fíìmù kalẹ̀, you are not good as a producer. Your acting is whack. Your production is nonsense. Your career failed. Coming to this world, you failed. As a mother, you failed. As a girl child, you failed. all your life based on lies, deceit, forcefully collecting money and material things from people. You know, you have no glory, you have no life, you have nothing, you're on zero. So mo ko kuku gan better. Kí ló ń dúró ṣe láyé? Àwọn tó kú gan ní value jù ẹ lọ. Wo bí gbogbo àwọn èèyàn gan ṣe wà concern nípa òkú Mohbad. Tí wọ́n bá kú lé ní àwọn èèyàn máa gbàlú ní because ìbànújẹ́ Nàìjíríà ni ẹ́, òfò Africa ni ẹ́, orí burúkú Nollywood ni ẹ́, you know. You are just nobody in the society. You are just trying hard to be relevant. And you don't have what it takes to be relevant. If you want to be relevant, you will have money. If you want to be relevant, you see there are some key secrets to be relevant. Success is not free. You work for it. If you want to be relevant, number one, you have money. If you want to be relevant. Number two, you have brain. Number three, you will be strategic. If you want to trend, you want people to see you, you want people to notice you. Look at Omotola Jala-Adekayinde recently. She did a fabulous birthday. Baba Obasanjo was there. Did you see Omotola Jala-Ade attacking Genevieve, attacking Rita Dominic? You are just nobody. You are just a nuisance. You are a failed product of a mad woman. You are nobody in the society. You don't understand? You are just a nuisance. Imagine upon all the crowd you use in bullying people, those crowd cannot fetch you common 10,000 naira with Lizzy without Lizzy Anjorin. If not for Lizzy Anjorin, you wouldn't have made what you made. If not for Lizzy Anjorin. So kí wá láǹfààní àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ tó kó sí WhatsApp group tó fi rọ́bọ lójoojúmọ́. You are just non-entity. Look at me. I'm doing well. Not just well, I'm doing beautifully, wonderfully well in my business. Without seeing my fans, without seeing my followers. Without, you know, stalking people. Look at how great. Look at how God has been so merciful to me. Just only me. No social media support. No blogger support. I own no blogs. No WhatsApp group. No sleeping around with politicians. No sleeping around with Baba Jege. No sleeping around with, you know, not going nude like you. But look at me. You see, my story. My story tells you that. You don't was so thanks to Lizzy Anjorin that really helped your career. To Dr. Chief Mrs. Lizzy Anjorin. You see, because you failed from day one, you produced that movie. You purposely produced that movie in order to shield Mohbad's death. You know, you try so hard to divert the Nigerians' minds from what really kpai Mohbad. And it's quite unfortunate. Look at you at your age. You wrote a story. Is it enough for you to go and hide your face and drink Iyabo? Me, I'm telling you, I got a lie for you. O ṣe fíìmù àwọn kékèké wá sọ pé fíìmù odò. Ìwọ tó yẹ kó ti lọ pokùn so, ìwọ tó yẹ kó ti lọ para ẹ̀. Ìwọ tó yẹ kó ti lọ kú. Imagine producing a movie. Just ordinary movie. Battery low, okay. Wàhálà. Bad belle. Má bínú jàre. Inú mi dùn láti rí yín padà o. Torí mi fẹ́ kó pọ̀ tí rárá. Mi fẹ́ kó pọ̀ tí rárá. Ṣé mo ti wá sọ̀rọ̀ jù ní? Ṣé mo ti sọ̀rọ̀ jù ní? Ọ̀rọ̀ mélòó ni mo sì sọ? Ẹ̀rì share.
Owó ìpanilápòyà ilé ilé ìlọjàrá ó bọ́ lọ́wọ́ wàhálà onílẹ̀ ethics wàrà ti yín o California Paradise City ti wà òkè pẹ̀lú measurement tó pé pérépéré láti ra ti yín ní ti yín bẹ̀ ẹ pè tàbí kẹ́ WhatsApp 070515861 tàbí 07047000162 California Paradise City là bá máa pè ní ìlú tuntun ìpèjìlẹ́kì Lagos ló wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni bá rà kò ní kábàámọ̀.
Oyoyo ẹ̀rì share.
Gbogbo orí ní dùnú mọ́ iṣẹ́ àṣelà pẹ̀lú ìsinmi ohun ìfọ̀kànbalẹ̀. Ẹni bá délé nílẹ̀ níbi tó láàbò tí ò tún lẹ́jọ́ lórí. A máa mú ní fẹ̀dùn lórí òróró. Ibi ẹnìkan ti ń fọjọ́ pípẹ́ wá ilẹ̀. Láyìíká tó wu ọkàn wọ̀ ní ẹ̀. Ọ̀pọ̀ ló ti bọ́wọ̀ tí wọ́n ń padà lé ẹjọ́ lórí ìkóralẹ̀. Àtìlẹ́
They are flagging. Ẹ bá mi rì share.
ẹ̀sùn pẹ̀lẹ́ la fi rí fún ìrà.
But I've not said anything bad here.
Orílẹ̀ ayé ẹ ti wù gbọ́yọ̀gbọ́. Ilẹ̀ kan lọ́nà
This product of a mad woman was just thanking me.
California
And I was just trying to, Clear the flag. Ẹ̀yin ti TikTok. Ṣé mo ti sọ̀rọ̀ ju ewu fa? They be case in Mohbad. You understand is this, Iyabo? Not too fit. I understand medical. For your production, you should have settled to Naira Marley what it was on social media. Bíbélì ni ẹ má ṣe jẹ́ ká jẹ́ kó wà. Just New Zealand. She's not sound upstairs. But apart from the education, there's sound here, my voice. On your page, you invaded my privacy. You brought my video on your platform to bully me. You did series of shows for me, calling me names with your full chest, calling me out, challenging me, unprovoked, telling me to mention your name for good 3 years. Iyabo Ali Sojo, you are nothing in the society. You are nobody. I just want to ruin you. When you were saying I should call your name, I want to see if you are that powerful. You did for 1 billion naira lawsuit. You were being disgraced. You were being molested. Committed a crime. You committed a crime that you're supposed to be in prison by now. You stole some documents in the court. And up to now, you were still owing me. It take me almost 10 to 15 years to balance the show from my side. And you have the audacity by mimicking my video. And while you were mimicking that video, you did not do it with beautiful face, not beautiful skin. You were extremely UGLIN, not ugly. When you want to mimic me, Iyabo, try and wear good lace. Give me something like this. Give me original Kuban. That level, that icon that I used to rock. Give me diamond wristwatch like this. Get yourself a wedding band as huge as this. Dress well next time you want to mimic me. Do not use your ugly face, ugly skin, ugly life, low life, broke ass, broke life to mimic me. How can you decide to be fake of my original? Are you kidding me? How can you use your ugly life, your low life, your broke ass to mimic the doctor, honorable, high chief, MRS, Mrs. You are a pathetic, single, broke Nitori. How can you, that you are single and broke, is your audacity for me? Is your audacity for me? How can you mimic me with your ugly face? You look so ugly, man. You see, I'm doing my live show with no makeup. I have no makeup except lip gloss, light lip gloss. Come and see my real face and my real skin on Facebook. How can you use that ugly face to mimic me? It's uncalled for. You want to mimic me? Try and make sure you have no makeup, and make sure your face, your skin is this glowing and flawless. Make sure you put on something like this. Let's see your beautiful, fragile hair. And of course, try and become a Mrs. I don't care who you marry. You can't be a broke, single idiot and be mimicking me. That is stepping on boundaries. You don't understand? You are a nonsensical person. You are nobody in the society. You that you cannot even stay in a man's house for a day. The baby roller waist you are dangling with recently, where is he? He left you like he used menstruation pad that you are. He left you because you are broke and you are ugly. Bendy roller waist thought you are loaded. By the end of the day, Bendy roller waist realized that you are just a nuisance. You are a parasite. How can you use your ugly face to mimic me? Mimicking me, you will step on boundaries. How you that you have no chieftaincy title in the society? You are not a doctor. You are not a BSc holder, not primary 6 holder. You are nobody. How can you ridiculously ridicule your failed life to come and mimic me? That is unprovoked. At least try and get married to a man or a woman, whichever way. How can a failed idiot like you, someone like you, I've never acted blue movie, you did. I've never been failed in everything I laid my hand on. You have been failing. Even while you are in your mama womb, you've been failing simultaneously. You've been a product of failed idiot. How can you downgrade yourself, molest yourself, ridicule your children by using that ugly face of yours to mimic me? I have a round face. Despite the brutals, the surgery, the everything about you slack. From your mouth to your toto, everything is as slack as Ogwefe, man. Oshema fobo fife mimiki mi is uncalled for. Eba mi pe baba Tinubu, báwo ni Iyabo Ojo ṣe máa fi òbò fífẹ̀ mimiki mi kò dáa. Ta ló ń pè mí? Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Sir? Ṣé ká fi yín sí speaker ni, sir? Ṣé ká fi yín sí speaker ni àbí ká ṣì máa bá lọ? Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, mo ti fi yín sí speaker. 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 A ti ń gbọ́ yín, sir. A ti ń gbọ́ yín, sir. Mo ń gbọ́ yín, sir. A ti ń gbọ́ yín. Yes, sir.
Ṣé n tó ń lulẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ yìí ju Lizzy Anjorin lọ?
Sir?
Kò sẹ́ni tó ń lulẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ yìí ju Lizzy Anjorin lọ. Àkànkẹ́.
Sir?
Àwọn tó ń bá ẹja, àwọn tí ká lára. Wọ́n mọ̀ òtítọ́ nínú wọn. Gbogbo ẹni tó ń bájà Àkànkẹ́ Anjorin wọ́n ń jowú ẹni. Yédè o, ìrè wọlé dé. Lizzy Anjorin ló ń lulẹ̀ o. Ọba ò lè pé méjìlá àfin Àkànkẹ́ adé ọkọ̀ aládé mo fẹ́ ẹ kò mọ̀. Ìrè wọlé dé. Lizzy Anjorin ló ń lulẹ̀ o. Adé orí ọ̀kìn òjò tẹ́yẹtẹ́yẹ o. Àkànkẹ́ mo fẹ́ ẹ kò mọ̀. Ìrè wọlé dé. Lizzy Anjorin ló ń lulẹ̀ o. Kí sọ́mọ dúdú tún báyìí Àkànkẹ́ adé o. Lizzy Anjorin ò ní ìwàlẹ̀. Ìrè wọlé dé. Àkànkẹ́ mi ló ń lulẹ̀ o. Kì í ṣe mí máa ṣe lọ̀rọ̀ Àkànkẹ́ adé o. Àṣẹ lọ́wọ́ aláwòrán. Ìrè wọlé dé. Àkànkẹ́ mi ló ń lulẹ̀ o. Ìyá mi.
Sir?
Kò sí gìrìgìrì. Kò sí gìrìgìrì. Anywhere ni. With your success, keep dazzling them and keep making me happy. Keep dazzling them, keep making me happy.
Yes, sir.
You are never an aggressive person. You don't look for trouble.
Thank you, sir.
Wọ́n ní bá ń ba orúkọ èèyàn jẹ́, wọ́n ní ba orúkọ wa jẹ́.
Àmín, sir.
Àwọn tí wọ́n bá ti ọwọ́ bọ ẹbí oníbí, bí wọn náà túká. ṣé bọ́n ló ti ṣe dọ́kítọ̀ bàbá ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú olú ayé bàbá òun sì aláyé yẹn nígbà tí ó introduce bàbá ẹ̀ láláyé ni
bẹ́ẹ̀ni
nígbà tí ó sì gbẹ́nu sí máìkì ìtúrẹ́nì ọmọ mélòó lẹ́yìn tí kó síta kó máa defend látọdún kèlú.
sí.
for a woman of your status lẹ́yìn tó ti lórúkọ àwa ń jáde nítorí àwọn kan tán lórúkọ pé kán má fa orúkọ wọn wálẹ̀ ni.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
eléyìí tá a ṣe fún Lizzy Anjorin a tó ṣe fáwọn ẹlòmíín náà.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
kí ni ìdùnnú wa wípé èèyàn kan ó gbìyànjú wá là ní Nàìjíríà tá a wà lénìí ká wá kójọ ká nípa àfẹ́ òkùpàpà wálẹ̀. a ṣe fáwọn kan lánàá tó ń ṣe fáwọn kan lénìí a tó ṣe fáwọn kan lọ́la torí àdúrà tiwa náà ní wípé káwọn ọmọ wa tí wọ́n lóko nínú ayé. àwa nítorí pé à ń sọ̀pọ̀ọ̀tì ẹni tó ti lóko ká tó ba ayé àwọn tó ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn tó ń gbìyànjú nínú ayé jẹ́. ìlà fi ń sọ pé everybody ó tẹpá mọ́ṣẹ́ so that they will not be able to use you as a tool, as an attack dog, giving you 2,000, 2K, and 1,000 to be attacking people all over the places. Ẹ̀kọ́ wà nù tá à ń rí lórí social media. You cannot, anybody that claim to be Lizzy Anjorin follower, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa wo ohun tó ń lọ. Tá a bá jóbìnrin ká tún lé wa ṣe ká gbà fọ́kọ wa. Tá a bá jọkùnrin ká dúró lé ká tọ́jú ọkọ ká tọ́jú aya. Tá a bá jọ̀rẹ́ ká dúró ká mọ owó advice dáhùn fúnra wa àsọ̀rẹ́. Ẹni tó bá fẹ́ dá síjà ó lóun fẹ́ parí ìjà èèyàn méjì kó mọ̀ béèyàn ṣe ń gbẹnu síjà ká má dẹ̀rù yàn kan pin. Àwọn tí wọ́n dúró wípé tá a bá ti kójọ lánàá ó máa tán fọ́ta Lizzy ìbò náà fojú sílé nìyí. Ìyá mi slow and steady keep it cool. Eléyìí tá à ń sọ látijọ́ yìí náà la sì dúró lé lórí ẹni tí ò ṣiṣẹ́ yóò jíṣẹ́ kíṣẹ́. Iṣẹ́ tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ ọ́n ṣe ṣó ní wá tó advertise fúnra yín lénìí sọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu yín tó advertise fún ọrọ̀ ajé yín lénìí ẹni tẹ́ ẹ ti rò pé kó kú kọ́ta rè kúrò ní ayé ṣe bí voice ẹ̀ náà lẹ tó fi ń polówó. Akànkẹ́.
sá.
Akànkẹ́.
sá.
Báńkì bọ́dà mi.
máa gbọ́ sá.
ẹ máa dé tò lọ.
yes sá. ẹ ṣé ẹ̀gbọ́n mi mo dúpẹ́ sá. ẹ ṣé òun ẹ pẹ́ fún wa sá. ẹ ṣé sá. ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ kúnkúnkún èyí máa gbádùn ẹ̀ ń bí farabalẹ̀ fún mọ́mí ẹ̀. shut up. Iyabo Ojo gist lover ẹ ṣé best caller ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àtàtà mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín mi ò ní tẹ́ níwájú yín mi dẹ̀ ní tẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbọ́ nǹkan tí Iyabo mo ní mo parọ́ irọ́ tó ní mo pa ni mo fẹ́ tú fáwọn èèyàn because a lot of people are watching tonight they've not listened to what you said about Mohbad's death and of course we play it to them.
California Paradise City ti wà òkè pẹ̀lú measurement tó pé pérépéré láti ra ti ní ti yín bẹ̀ ẹ pè tàbí kẹ́ WhatsApp 070555861 tàbí 07047.
Oshiko, thank you so much for promoting the return of Ironso.
Bí mo ṣe máa ń ṣe orí tèmi ni bí mo ṣe máa ń ṣe orí tèmi ni ẹ̀kọ́ tọ́pẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run tó mọ̀ pé ìgbà tí mo ti rúgbò Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ti ní kémi rúgbò èmi dẹ̀ ṣàánú fún jeans wèrè ó ní kó executive producer alóhùn kọ́lẹ̀ ṣé mi mọ̀kọ́ tí mo sọ ni ó dùn pé mo tú àṣírí ẹ̀ pé òun kọ́ ni executive producer bí mo ṣe click lọ́dún ẹ̀ sí gist lover ló pop out níbi kìíní ẹ̀ ó rí iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ síbẹ̀ nǹkan kan pop out lórí page ẹ̀ nísìnyí tó fi hàn wípé ó ń operate lọ́dà gist lover this nuisance olùṣe onílara àtìgbà tó ti rí iṣẹ́ mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó plan fún mi pẹ̀lú Arijan fún birthday mi mansion tí mo gbé síta yẹn ọkùnrin ò balẹ̀ so she need to come èrò yìí pọ̀ lálẹ́ yìí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wá wò mí lálẹ́ yìí ló lẹ ti wá mi èrè ojú yìí ẹ ti pọ̀ jù lálẹ́ yìí kò ní ṣíṣì lọ́wọ́ ibriate mi ní white so she can be this calm ṣé Iyabo ìyá ọdún ọmọdé ló ní kò ní dá afẹ́ni tó nà ó ẹ jẹ́ ká máa bá fàájì wà lọ.
It's still showing in all cinemas. Ṣùgbọ́n.
Tọ́pẹ́ bàtí mo ti rí kúrò lóbìnrin màá ṣàrùn ẹ lọ́wọ́.
Mo dúpẹ́. But mo rí ẹ tó gbé picture mi sórí page ẹ.
Ṣé torí ẹ ló ṣe wá lọ lo filter káyé ẹ wá bàjẹ́ báyìí? Èmi náà rí ẹ tó mímí voice mi lórí page ẹ. And I'm not pleased bójú ẹ ṣe ugly òfin mímí kẹ. Mi láti bójú ẹ ṣe ojú tí ugly jù. At least manage kò fine díẹ̀. O lè fi ugly face yẹn máa mímí voice yẹn. It's uncalled for. It's uncalled for. Johnson. Òun lèmi ṣe ń pe EFCC kó bá mi dá sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀. O lè fi ṣọmọ